Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I have got a huge Temu, I think that's how you pronounce it, T-E-M-U, Temu haul. I made a couple of purchases. This is I did with my own money. This was not sent to me. That first haul I did was things that they sent me. These are things I pretty much, well, I paid for myself. I know pretty much about it. I definitely bought these things myself. So like I said, there's 2 orders and I thought I'd just go ahead and we would open those up now and I'd show you what I got from Temu. They sent me an email where I could sign up and be like a rep and get you know, affiliate links and stuff and blah blah blah. And the more I've thought about it, the more I've thought there's almost everybody I know has ordered from Temu by now. So I'm just not gonna fool with that. I don't know, I just don't want to deal with it. So and I don't know why I told you all about that since I'm not doing it. But anyway, let's get started with my first order. I have opened this bag. The other one I haven't opened yet. First thing I got here is a 10-gallon size plant bag. What do they call them? I'm getting ready to plant my garden, which I hopefully will get planted next week. I hope I can do that. So I've been seeing these things about these fabric garden bags, plant bags. It's a pretty good size. It's supposed to breathe, and yeah, well, we'll try it out. I want to plant it. I'm not sure. I might plant a tomato plant in it, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw it back here. Throw it behind me. So here we go. Next, I ordered a micro grater. I didn't have one of these. I'm gonna throw the trash in. Whoops, trash in the floor. I've had a busy day today. We had to go into Columbia. My son had to go see Raiders of the Lost Ark. Not Raiders of the Lost Ark. He had to go see Return of the Jedi. It's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. He had to go see that. Oh, this is nice. I didn't have one of these, and I wanted one, and it comes with a little brush to help clean. Okay, I'm okay with that. Next, let's pull in here. I ordered a table runner. I'm going to start doing like maybe full-on tablescapes, decorating my dining room table for the seasons. And the first season we're going to do is a 4th of July theme. This is okay. I thought it was more fabric. It is fabric, but I don't know. And I don't remember how much I paid for this. I don't think it was a whole lot. Okay. I love red, white, and blue, the plaid. I love the look of plaid, of buffalo check, anything like that. That's one of my favorite looks. At Christmas time too. Let's get down in here. Oh, this bag. Open this up. Okay, these are napkins. I ordered navy blue napkins. These are nice feeling. And I know I didn't pay a whole lot for this. These are 100% polyester. These are nice. Just a navy blue napkin. You can't go wrong with that. I ordered some stars. I think this was probably around $1 or $2, a couple dollars. Not bad. Just scatter for the table. Okay, let's pull some things out. Okay, I got some jewelry. Okay, I think that's it for this bag. There's I got napkin rings, and let me open these up. They're individually wrapped. If you like ASMR, then you're enjoying that part. That's not bad. These are nice. They are a nice heavy quality. Better than I thought. I knew I was ordering cheap napkin rings. I can't find my napkin rings. I don't have any. I've lost them somehow. Or I just haven't got to that box yet. But we're getting there. We're getting there. I got this necklace. This just was an impulse. Most of this is an impulse shop. This, it's got the world. Can you see that? Isn't that neat? I just thought that was kind of cool. It's a map. It's a map. Yeah, I like that. And then I got a pair of hoop earrings. Because I like to glitter. Whoops. Okay, I just edited all that out. Me getting the earrings off the floor. Here we go. Oh, these are nice. They have a nice weight to them. I don't think I even paid $1 for these. Can you, let me hide my face. Can you see? They're pretty. Let's put them on. Since I don't have any on. I took all my jewelry off when I got home. I've had a great day. While Nathan was in the movie, Brian and I found a little British pub and sat and just had the best time. That's nice. I like that. They feel nice. Okay. Now, second bag. Open this one up. This one I haven't even opened yet. Okay. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut something, you know, when you open these bags up. Oh, I got lots of stuff in here. Let's see what I got. Okay. This is for the kitchen. I watch a lot of different YouTube creators cook. And I have seen these. And I'm like, yeah, I need that. It's a stand. And what you do, you put your, like your gallon size Ziploc bag. And this will hold it open so you can stuff it. So if you want to do freezer meals. And I ordered 2 of them because you need 2. Apparently you need 2. This I ordered to go in my purse, but it's not as big as I thought. That big purse with the mermaids on it, I needed some kind of organizer to set down in it. Now this is smaller than I was expecting, truthfully. But it will do. It will do. So those big types of bags, when I put my things in there, they're just going all over the place. So, I mean, not bad. I didn't pay a lot for. I didn't pay a lot for any of this. What is this? Oh, okay. It's like, again, this is something I've seen some of the people. I'm interested in canning and preserving foods. This is it's called a nut bag, but to make your own like almond milk or whatever. But I'm not going to use it for that. It's great. I can strain out liquids using this because it's such a fine mesh. The liquid will come out, but the solids will stay in for whatever I may need it for. And it was like way under $1. Oh, these. Nope. Now these I'm excited about. My mother-in-law, she keeps talking about these. I forgot what they're called, but they're to cook with. To me, they're like big paddles, but you can stir and you can cook with them. And this is a set of 5, all different sizes. I think what I am going to do is probably share with my mother-in-law with these. I don't need to keep them all, but yeah. If I can think of what the name is, I'll put it down here. Next. Oh, these are like trivets to put a hot pot on. And there's a set of 3. They're nice. These are nice. They feel very, very well made. So I got that. I got some fun stuff too. Let me get these out. Yeah. I got shower caps. I remember this. Because I like to wash my hair and then put a conditioning mask on it. And then I thought about putting a shower cap on top. And why not have, wow, there's 4 in here. Why not have fun shower caps, you know? See? So, yeah. About shower caps. Why not? This is a massager. I'm having trouble with lymphedema now. I had all of my lymph nodes removed under this arm when I had my breast cancer surgery. And now this side of my body is starting to swell. And this is supposed to help with the drainage of the lymphatic fluids. I worked in a clinic. I was the office manager at a clinic where several of our physical therapists were lymphedema specialists. So I know a whole heck of a lot about lymphedema. And so I know all my friends are in Asheville who are lymphedema massage therapists. But I know I can use this and it will help some. It's not a cure-all. Don't listen to me for medical advice. It will help some. But it's not if you've got lymphedema, if you've got swelling, please go to your doctor. I know what mine is from because I am missing the lymph nodes on this side. Okay, then I got some fun stuff. I got these facial patches that I thought would be fun. Separate and smooth the wrinkle or crease. Okay. Directions: separate and smooth the wrinkle or crease. Moisten patches on the shiny side with rose water hydrator. Apply moistened facial patches over the smooth lines. Leave on for 3 hours, preferably overnight. Remove patch by wetting thoroughly to release the adhesive. Treat area and face with Frownies moisturizer. Now, when I ordered this from Temu, it said Frownies, the actual brand Frownies. But that's not what this is. This is a knockoff. I have found that with some things. You have to be careful on Temu sometimes. That's another reason I don't want to be an affiliate. Because I'm going to tell you the truth. There are some knockoffs, copycat things. So you got to be careful. I thought I was ordering Frownies. This is not Frownies. But I'll give it a shot. There's nothing here that's going to hurt me. And then this, they put a big sticker made in China over the top of it. That's another thing. I've ordered some things and there's been no instructions. The reason this really hit me was I ordered something and it said for instructions. It sent me to the website. And the website said, if you're reading this because you're looking for instructions, then you got a counterfeit product. So I'm like, oh, okay. V-shaped invisible tape. Soft elastic face adhesive tape. And then the instructions, they've put this sticker over it. So I don't know. this doesn't really tell me anything, so I don't know about this. That's why I said be careful. These are just look like little band-aids or something. I'll have to research this more and see what it is I purchased. I think it says it's supposed to help double chin. Yeah. Square face. How does it help a square face? Give me a break. Facial edema. Baby fat. Muscle relaxation. Come on. A square face and baby fat. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't think they want me to be I'm going to tell it like it is. I'm going to tell the truth. Okay, and then I bought some masks. And I'm hoping I'll be okay with these masks. The brand is Dorlangen. Yeah, so I thought, we'll try these out. I'll let you know. I got the Honey Nourishing Mask. The Rose Rejuvenation. The Apple Firming. The VC Brightening. I don't know what the VC, I would think C was citrus, but I don't know what VC means. And Jasmine Rejuvenating. And then this mask. Hyaluronic Acid Mask. Moisturizing smooth skin to make her present tender and smooth. Read that. Skin to make her tender, present, and smooth. Lock, water, and relieve. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to try them out. Anyway, that is my whole Temu haul. It's okay. It's okay. I'm excited about some of these things. But some of these things I'm a little leery about, just to be honest. But there you go. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.